So now we successfully created JWT authentication server also, and with this we are done with the content of this course. We learned what is encryption, symmetric, asymmetric keys in KMS, permissions, and how to use with S3 and with Lambda. And we also saw how auditing works. We created 2 mini projects. Now it's time for resource cleanup. So let's delete the resources which we created as part of both mini projects. First, start with KMS, because almost all resources which we created are serverless and will not incur any charge, but make sure to delete all keys because each key is $1 per month right now. And if you have done rotation, then add one more dollar. So make sure to schedule deletion of keys. I will schedule, and all are pending deletion and will be deleted. After that, go to DynamoDB tables and delete both tables. Then let's go in order. Let's go to Lambda. And I guess we also created one S3 bucket. Select all Lambda functions. 4 were created as part of previous password manager. 2 we created, and this KMS we created for permission demo. Let's delete all of them. Let's delete S3 bucket that we created for permissions. Empty bucket first and then delete it. Then go to API gateway and delete both API gateway. And then if you created user for testing permissions, make sure to delete that as well. And also make sure to delete the roles that we created, auth role and password manager role. Then Cognito user pool. And with this, looks like we deleted all the resources. In case I forgot something, make sure to delete them as well. But I guess this is it. We deleted everything. So this is it for KMS course. Hope you find it insightful. If you have any feedback or doubts, do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.